Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys loved my previous videos and all the nail art tutorials that I have posted, and thank you so much. I now have 176 followers. Oh, it's really amazing, I never thought I'll reach here, but yeah, thank you so much. Without you guys, it wouldn't have been possible. So today's video is about this new perfume brand that I came across, and I got two perfume gift packs from them. One I got for my husband and one for me, of course. Uh, so I'll be talking about the one that I got for myself, and I will be sharing the reviews of all those perfumes, and let's see how it goes. Here's the perfume pack. This one is the brand is Perfumers Club, and it is a homegrown brand. It's an Indian brand, made in India. Yes, we are making India. And this is their best fragrances. This is their best fragrances for women 2020. So I think they will be. This brand was launched this year, I suppose, or in 2019. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think since they have launched a perfume bag for 2020, so they will be launching one pack for every year. I hope to see more. Okay, so this pack, the green one, this one contains three perfumes. One is hashtag Dreamer, me, hashtag Eternal Love, hashtag Iconic. So these are three perfumes for women available with their brands. Apart from this, the brand has several other women perfumes and men perfumes and some unisex perfumes also available on their website. So if you guys want to purchase some new homegrown Indian brands, you guys can go over there and check them out. So there were three gift packs for women. One was all-time classic fragrances for women. This one was best fragrances for women 2020, and the other one was best aquatic and citrus fragrances for unisex. So I think two variants for women, two for men, and one the unisex one is common between both genders. So you guys can purchase like whichever suits your needs. Okay, so let's talk about this one. Okay, so this pack is priced at 17.99, but I got this one for 15.99. Okay, each single bottle of perfume is 599, I suppose. Uh, you can like buy single perfumes, or you can go ahead with the 3-pack perfume gift packs. Okay, so let's check it out. The packaging is really pretty, but um, it has just one flaw: the inner packaging. This inner box. So here is the perfumes, all three. You can see how pretty they are. The only thing that I don't like about this brand is that the packaging, the inside packaging is a bit, the perfumes don't stay in places. I hope the brand is listening and they are going to, keep this in consideration. They will take it as a feedback and improve upon it. So let's talk about the perfumes. Let's start with the Dreamer. This is the Dreamer perfume. This one is a very floral kind of perfume, as you can tell by the looks of it. It's beautiful pink bottle. I really love this bottle. It's very handy. Each perfume is 50 ml Eau de Parfum. It's EDP, and this brand offers you 18% perfume oil concentration, and with a promise of 24 hours lasting. And yes, not exactly 24 hours, but yeah, these perfume do last for a decent time. When I applied it on my clothes, they stayed for about like until the day I washed it off. But on my skin they stayed for like nice 16 hours or so. But it started fading after that. So you do get a good lasting, as compared to other perfumes that are available at this price range. I mean, at 5.99, getting 18% perfume concentration and this quantity, it's a steal. It's a steal. So let's talk about what this perfume has. The top notes are, orange blossom, lily, tuberose, jasmine, yang yang, cloves, and with base of sandalwood and vanilla. So this is a very beautiful, floral, very, girly kind of perfume, very decent girly kind of perfume. uh, you guys can like wear it on a daily basis. If you guys want to, all the girls, if you want something gentle and something, soothing for your senses, so this is the one for you. It is really beautiful. It smells so good. I really love it. Oh, it's so amazing. um I've been wearing it every day. Oh, nice, love it. The other one is Iconic. This is a beautiful white bottle. Uh, this is also a little flowery, a little powdery kind of scent. Uh, it has a base of rose, neroli, yang yang, bergamot, iris, jasmine, and base has vetiver, musk, sandalwood, and patchouli. So this is like good for, an evening kind of feel. This one has an evening kind of feel. So if you want, something for those romantic dates, and to, to smell good and feel good, this is the perfume is just for you. This is just for you. It will make you feel iconic. uh, it's very I am not able to explain it. It's not gentle and it's not strong, but it's somewhere in the middle. It When you spray it on your body, it just adds a boost of fragrance, but it slowly goes very subtle, very beautiful and elegant fragrance it gives you. uh, I can actually smell the sandalwood and the you know slightly floral kind of fragrance. It's wow. I really love good perfume, which smells good. uh, I've got like several perfumes before, but some of them, they hit you in the head directly, and I am someone who gets a headache with very strong perfumes. So I try to keep my fragrances on a lighter note. Apart from this, I love vanilla fragrances. That is my signature scent. So this one has vanilla. That's why I love it the most. And this one, the third one, is Eternal Love. This is a very green perfume, as the color suggests. This is very fogua kind of. I'm sure. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the word correctly. Uh, the green notes, the very herby, mossy kind of fragrance it has. The notes are freesia, lily, violet, um, lily of the valley, rose, carnation, cloves, pepper, and the base is musk and sandalwood. All these combine to make it perfect fragrance for evenings and nights. Yes, it is slightly stronger, very slightly stronger, but not extensively stronger. That hits you in the head. It's not like that. It's very um, like a musical note, when it and starts with a bang and then goes gentle symphony. So it creates that symphony with its fragrance. uh, it's really amazing. It's not my best favorite. My favorites is the Dreamer, hashtag Dreamer, and then secondly goes the Iconic, hashtag Iconic, and then the third in the list is hashtag Eternal Love. It's a good fragrance. It's a good fragrance, but it's not my best favorite scent. But I would definitely keep using it because it does have a good you know nice night club night kind of vibe to it. So I will keep using it for parties and for weddings if the corona allows us to go out. I will keep using this one, but my everyday perfumes are going to be these two until I finish them and look for something different. Hashtag Dreamer and hashtag Iconic. That's me. And so these were the perfumes, and yes, the perfume brand has a lot of other options available for you with woody scents, citruses, aquatic scents. So you guys can go on the website and check them out. Uh, there are a lot of options for men as well. So in my next video, I'm going to be talking about the perfume box that I got for my husband. Uh, yeah, that is also best fragrances for men 2020. So let's wait, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching my channel. I will mention the link of this website in the description, along with all the details of all the perfumes that are in there, and you guys can have a look. And if you guys love watching this video, if you guys want to try these new perfumes at such an amazing price, trust me, these perfumes are actually good. Like, most of us have this thinking that Indian brands are not that good, as compared to the branded Chanels and the Gucci's and everything. But this is a good start. The brand is putting some good effort out there to make perfumes an everyday thing for someone like someone who has a limited budget, someone who don't want to spend a lot of money. I really appreciate some Indian brands who actually put out good quality, good ingredients, and beautiful packaging. I mean, can you look at this? This is a beautiful packaging, apart from the inside box, but this is a beautiful packaging. Anyone would love to have this as a gift. So if you guys are looking for any perfume gift which is in budget but looks very expensive, this is the one for you. You guys have to try it. I will also mention all the details about this on my blog as well, so you guys can check it out over there. And thank you for watching. Yes, finally a bye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting. It helps me to make better videos, so I'll keep making better videos. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you guys. Bye.